If you own a home in Tysons, Virginia, you know that fluctuating temperatures throughout the year can lead to high energy costs. From sweltering summers to chilly winters, keeping your home comfortable while managing utility bills can be challenging. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by upgrading to new windows. Modern windows offer significant benefits, helping you save money, reduce energy waste, and create a more comfortable living environment. Here's how new windows can make a big difference in your Tysons home. Enhanced insulation and reduced heat transfer. For older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, do little to insulate your home. In contrast, energy-efficient windows feature double or triple-pane glass filled with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton. These layers reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during winter and blocking excessive heat during summer. By improving insulation, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption. Advanced low-E glass technology. Many modern windows come equipped with low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect infrared light while allowing natural light to enter your home. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without relying as much on heating and cooling systems. Low-E coatings also help prevent UV rays from fading your furniture, flooring, and decor over time. Improved window frames for better efficiency. The window frames play a crucial role in energy efficiency. Traditional aluminum frames conduct heat, making your home less energy efficient. New window options include vinyl frames, durable, low maintenance, and excellent insulators. Fiberglass frames, strong, weather-resistant, and designed for long-term performance. Composite frames, made from a blend of materials for superior insulation and durability. By choosing the right frame material, you can further reduce heat loss and enhance your home's efficiency. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest culprits of energy loss in a home is air leakage around windows. Over time, old windows can develop gaps and cracks, allowing conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. New windows feature improved sealing technology, weather stripping, and precision installation to eliminate drafts. This leads to more stable indoor temperatures and reduced energy waste. Lower heating and cooling costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can see a noticeable reduction in your heating and cooling bills. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that homeowners can save up to 30% on energy costs by replacing single-pane windows with energy-efficient models. In a climate like Tysons, where summers can be humid and winters can be brisk, investing in better windows translates to significant savings over time. Increased comfort and better indoor climate control. New windows contribute to a more comfortable home environment. They help eliminate cold spots near windows in the winter and reduce overheating from direct sunlight in the summer. This balanced indoor temperature means you can enjoy a cozy home without overworking your HVAC system. Enhanced ventilation and indoor air quality. Many modern window designs, such as double-hung or casement windows, offer better ventilation options. Fresh air circulation improves indoor air quality, reducing pollutants, allergens, and moisture buildup that can lead to mold and mildew growth. Proper ventilation contributes to a healthier living space for you and your family. Eco-friendly and sustainable living. Energy-efficient windows not only help reduce energy consumption but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. By lowering your home's carbon footprint, you are playing a part in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, many modern windows are made from sustainable and recyclable materials, making them an environmentally responsible choice. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise investment that adds value to your home. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features when purchasing a property. New windows enhance curb appeal and provide a strong selling point if you decide to put your Tysons home on the market. Final thoughts. Installing new windows is one of the best upgrades you can make to improve your Tysons home's energy efficiency. With benefits like better insulation, lower utility costs, enhanced comfort, and increased property value, the investment in energy-efficient windows pays off in multiple ways. If you're ready to take the next step, consult with a trusted window professional to explore the best options for your home. A well-planned window replacement project will not only improve your energy efficiency but also elevate your home's overall performance and appeal.